down to the final three teams. And we're going to hear now from our first team, HasPopEU. And first, let's have a look at the video showing us their example of their team challenge.
Hi guys, my name is Diana and I deal with the social aspects of the project.
Hello, I am George and I work on privacy and cryptography.
Our project aims to shape a digital bridge between job seekers and job providers in the public procurement market.
Worldwide, this is a 12 trillion euros per year market. Due to various job-related shortages, public procurement projects are in need of tailored instruments.
Our focus is on young people, migrants, and SMEs. By providing better skills to jobs matching, we hope that our platform will help people literally build their countries of residence.
Hello, my name is John and my primary role is on the business side of things. This is Răzvan, our technical lead.
Hello.
Now it's working. Hello everyone, it's great to see you all here. Today we are telling you the story of how our team approached the challenge, the solution we came up with, the open data sets that we used, and also the people that we listened to. Accompanying the story is a series of tweets, as highlighted there, that contain some key insights and discoveries observed by us. For example, the European Commission's new pilot project with job opportunities for migrants, which is very encouraging. But to get going, worker shortages in the EU have serious socio-economic consequences. Germany is losing 85 billion euros per year. Massive national and European resilience programs put pressure on the public procurement market, probably even widening the worker shortages situation. To add on top of that, this market is highly complex and very difficult for SMEs, which represent 99% of all the businesses in the EU. Together with job-seeking youth and migrants, which are especially vulnerable in the state, they need tailored instruments. That being said, let me introduce you to our solution. A web app that brings modern data-enhanced skills to jobs matching. It will act, as it has been said before, as a digital bridge between job seekers and job providers. But to develop a business-ready app, our initial focus was on national market, which we have known for the past 15 years. HasPopEU was built on top of the experience we had with the previously developed platform Spend.ro. EU tenders electronic daily and Romanian public procurement datasets are consumed via the broker component of Spend.ro. The Romanian dataset also has under the threshold high frequency data. TED has above the threshold frequency data, with many relevant details hidden in multiple languages. Getting business-grade value requires dealing with each country's particularities. But it's not enough to have just the data. And for that, it's essential to know our beneficiary-specific needs. So we asked youth, migrants, and SMEs for their input on this. We found out that most of job seekers have very limited knowledge of public procurement opportunities. Additionally, they expressed a desire for having their data encrypted. Also, job providers brought us exciting news on the other hand. They are open to disclosing salary ranges and are very open to hiring youth and migrants. But for that, they need specialized job matchmaking. So here now, let's get ready to look at our app in action. The most important thing is the technical setup. The technical setup is ready for scalability, internationalization, and also research partnerships. So here we can see the first page of our web application with our Twitter handle inside, of course. we do have a small about section for people that have yet to meet us. So you can see some information. And now we're going to look through the eyes of a job seeker, what they can see. Of course, first they have to create a profile on our website, on our web application. And then after the profile was created, log in it. After the job seeker has entered our platform, they see very user-friendly put data inside. So it's simple, it's easy to read, because we didn't want to burden them with all the technical details in the background. We just wanted to let them be able to make their profile and then see firsthand the categories, the names of the companies, and what contracts are available. Here now, moving on, we can also see the detailed contracts of, for example, a particular company. And the most important thing is that all these are linked to different job opportunities that they might find interesting or relevant to their profile. For now, here is our machine learning prediction, where if we have a certain procedure or a contract, the person can see who might be a possible winner for that particular contract. And now we are in the job provider section, where they can see country by country the amount of euros that are in each and every one of them. And of course, the highlight is that here we have their data, their contact information, so it can be very easy for users to find them, and also the jobs postings that they might want to upload in regards to certain contracts. And the most important part was here that they can actively see candidates that match their jobs listing. Now we can see that they are looking after particular candidates. And at the end, this is our homomorphic encryption method for keeping the user's data safe. And after this, here is the TED data that is staged and is ready to be worked with. Now, after this, we have to mention that we highlighted our beneficiaries' specific needs and our solution. For the future, a partnership with a large commercial platform for open jobs, API integrations, is in the works. A research venture with a team that specializes in machine learning from Babeș-Bolyai University has been initiated. In the following weeks, we will publish best practice materials and insights with the Romanian National Open Data Office. And we will be developing algorithms to tackle the particularities of TED and EU countries' datasets. Also, next week, all of our Datathon materials that we have used up until now will be available on our website. And to sort of end this on a note, on a rhetoric note, to open some possible questions for later on, we wonder the following things. The most important ones being, firstly, what can we do about public procurements that are under the threshold, because these are the vast majority of procedures? Is there a way to standardize that? Secondly, could we have a data brokers model similar to TED eSenders for other high-impact EU open data sets? And finally, could all this amount in a digitally frictionless single market with a core EU-wide for job standard-related opportunities? And for that, we want to thank you for your attention, and we also like to thank our beneficiaries that helped us with the market research, Mr. Vicențiu Pasol, the patent holder for the homomorphic encryption, award-winning film director Adi Vojko for video making insights. Also, a big thank you to the EU Datathon team for all the assistance. And we encourage anyone thinking about participating in this event to enter the 2023 Datathon. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, thank you very much for your presentation and giving us a very whistle-stop tour through what the app does. First question, and it comes from a jury member asking, are the contracts of the platform private company contracts with enterprises or private sector, or public procurement, or both?
Public procurement.
Okay, and so how are you motivating them to join your platform?
You're referring to this in regards to companies or to job seekers?
The companies, or they, yeah.
Well, we are motivating them in a way that this is the next step to evolve in the job-seeking part, because in order for them to get as best people in their work as possible, they also have to come in and publish this data further on.
And how about the actual information that's on the job profiles? Where is that coming from?
Sorry. I have a bit of emotions right now. I'm very passionate. But the thing is that all this information comes from the job seekers. The job seekers consent to putting their data on our website, creating a profile, and we assure them in turn that we use the data as we practically tell them that we're going to use it.
And are you getting much good feedback from them? How are they responding at this testing stage?
We actually passed the testing stage. We're now in beta production stage. And so far, the feedback has been very great. It's user-friendly. People have an easy time going through it. But they're still waiting for more, let's say, data to come in.
And so that's the next step?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much indeed, and good luck.
Thank you.